What it do, gang, man? Back with another video, man. Hey, I know it's been a minute since I made a video, bro, but I've been out of the country, man, not on vacation, but I've been on some military orders, man, and I'm just not getting back stateside, so yeah, that's why I've been kind of late with the videos, man, but this is what bring me to this video today, bro. Look, y'all need to know this before y'all go buy a foreign car, man. First of all, or any type of high-tech car for that matter. Now listen, first of all, I came back to such a surprise, bro. First of all, look at this crap. Damn tire flat, man. And I don't see no holes in the tire because I look, so I think it might be a stem issue because I had these tires rotated and I had these tires changed. And I don't think they put the stem back right after they changed the tire, man. So that's one issue, right? Y'all roll with me for a second. I almost just broke my ankle just then. Alright. Now normally when you close the doors on your car, it'll close like right there, and then it'll automatically close itself in. That's just the type of technology this car got, right? So notice when I close the door, it don't do it. Wanna know why? I'm gonna show you. Now mind you, I enjoyed this car in like almost 2 months, bro, because when I was at the house, I was in my daily, which is a Honda. You feel what I'm saying? I was in the daily. So I ain't never really enjoyed this car for real like that, man. Only on the weekends, and I was, waiting to take it back to Atlanta to finish getting it tuned and dialed in, all that, whatever, right? So boom, as y'all can see right now, I got this on gun hooked up to a jump box, right? But I had it on a battery charger, but the battery charger was telling me that it was only reading 6 volts. And I'm like, 6 volts, there's no way. So now, all right, roll with me. The wing, the spoiler only supposed to deploy when the car reaches a certain mile/hour limit, or if you manually do it yourself. Battery dead, I can't even let the spoiler back up. This was the battery charger I had on it, man. I don't even know if this is a good brand or not, but it charged up every other battery I had, man, so, I don't see why it wouldn't. You feel me? Anyway, roll with me. Now, mind you, I ain't been in this car, man, in like 2 months down there. You feel what I'm saying? But, yeah, same thing, man. The whip is just, I still got to get this crack fixed because I was going to a car show in Birmingham and a rock chip hit the damn window down there, and then it spread all the way over here, man. I'm like, come on, bro. Anyway, but let me show y'all what happened when I tried to crank this car, bro. So, first thing first, as y'all can see, I am pushing the start-stop button. I ain't doing nothing. I'm talking about it's all the way dead. All the way dead. Like I can't, look, bro, I can't stop engine. It ain't even turning on to do the doggone, just the doggone check engine light or the little on not running on. It ain't doing nothing, man. Nothing. And guess what? The key is right here in my pocket. Follow me. Oh. This junk getting irritating, bro. And they ain't even the worst part yet. Hold on. Now, if I turn this on, right? Let's see what it do. This is a jump box. All right. It's charging my battery. Supposed to be, right? So right now it's at 11.1. 6 watts. Man, I don't know. All right. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna try to jump this car off. Now, roll with me. Look, man, this car, I got to wash this car, bro. It's crap all on the top of the, you know what I'm saying? Uh-oh, hold on. Now, when I just open the door and close it, all right. Okay, see, it did. That's what it's supposed to do, right? Now, mind you, it only did that because is on the battery charger. It's on the, not the battery charger, but the jump box. Boom. All right. So me ain't got a little juice coming in, right? But only when I put the jump box on there. So, okay, now we on the RS7 page. Boom. All right. Now, I'm gonna hit the start button again. It's telling me key not recognized. Hold the back of the doggone key to, you know what? Now it's doing it. Boom. Now let's try to start it. Foot on the brake. Nothing. Nothing. The battery is shit fired, man. I'm talking about the battery is shit fried. Try it again. Key is not recognized. Please hold back of the key to the... Let's try it again. Nope. Battery ain't no good, man. Just like you were doing last time. I'm gonna at least try to let my spoiler down, man. Hold on. Cause I don't want to have my, I'm trying to let this down. Bruh. Man, I guess it ain't gonna go off until I crank the car up. But I can't crank the car up. Alright. Because the doggone battery did. Now it's saying the battery is only at 9 volts. 9 volts, y'all. Now it's at 8 volts, 8.4 volts, man. The battery ain't no 8 point, and it's still dropping. Still dropping, bro. So guess what I did? I called, now that I just took it out the jump box, everything just died. Everything just died. This car, and you know, man, I heard everybody say, hey man, when you go foreign, you know what I'm saying, the maintenance on them, the parts on them, so gonna be so high. It's gonna be higher than normal and blah, blah, blah. You know, in my mind, I'm like, shh, it ain't gonna be that much of a difference, man. It ain't gonna be that high. Bro, I just called to place the battery, bro. I just called to check on the price of a battery for this car, bro. Guess how much a battery costs for this car, man? Y'all drop some comments down below and y'all tell me how much y'all think a battery costs for this car. I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. Y'all drop them. Y'all put y'all estimates down. A battery for this car, bro, costs $300. $300 for a battery, bro. Just for a battery. And guess what? I need it, so I got to pay for it. I ain't gonna lie, man. This kind of got me thinking. Thinking about what, Rod? Y'all might ask. It kind of got me thinking, bro. Like, y'all know I like to go fast. Y'all, look at him, man. Let me give you the focus, adjust to the sunlight. Anyway, I'm saying though, bro, like, yeah, it's an all-wheel drive car right now, man. Probably sitting in like wheel horsepower. But man, I want to upgrade the turbos. I want to upgrade the fuel system. I want to get like at least another 120, 130 horsepower out of it, which is feasible. But at the same time, when you start going higher in horsepower numbers, it's not a matter of if something breaks. It's a matter of when. Now, you can be conservative and all that, yeah, cool, and it might not break, but, you know, man, there's a chance that something might go wrong with these cars. And I'm asking myself, am I willing to pay the money for parts and diagnostics and parts and labor to fix these cars, man. Like, it's such a nice car. So number one, it's such a nice car, man. Like do I want to touch it? Do I want to, like right now, the only thing I got on this car is an intake, downpipes, and a tune. Basic stage 2 setup for, you know what I'm saying, Audi, whatever, you know what I'm saying, for that platform. But do I want to go stage 3? Stage 3, we talking turbo upgrades. We talking fuel system upgrades. You know what I'm saying? Down to 800 wheel horsepower. Do I want to go there? Yes, hell yeah, I do. Do I want to, man, listen, I don't know, man. I just got to make sure like I got the money saved back to fix something if something breaks. That's my dilemma. That's the only thing I missed about American Muscle. Like, that's the only thing I missed about my Hellcat, man. Like, pulleys, injectors, parts and stuff like that. You know, it was way cheaper than this type of stuff. You know, but we're gonna see, man. But yeah, so I guess I gotta go. And another thing, I don't even know where the damn battery located on this car. I should have popped the damn hatch before I took the jump box off, because the battery is not located right there. This is just a little spot that you can hook up the little post, negative and the positive, to jump it off. It looks like there's a computer right there. But where's the actual battery? I have no freaking clue. And that's another thing. Now I got to go on YouTube and find out how to, or where the battery is located in this car. Because I don't know, bro. And I'd be damned if I go to the dealership and let them charge me like $400-500 just to put a battery in, because I don't know where it at. Anyway, man, sorry for the, you know, the delay of content. Like I said, I've been out the country, man, on some military order for the past month or so, and I'm just not getting back in the groove, man. So y'all bear with me. I'm about to start back dropping the content, man. Just go ahead and follow the channel, man. Springtime coming, summertime coming shortly after. That means the track's gonna be back open, the street's gonna be back hot. It's gonna be a lot of racing going on, man. So meantime, between time, man, everybody been building their cars, everybody be getting everything, right? So this year should be a lot more fun, man. So y'all make sure y'all just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, man, and keep rocking with me and get me to 10K. We out.